Welcome back to the maintenanceis channel. Today we are going to discuss about TPM, definition of TPM, and types of maintenance and why TPM in details. Please like and share.
Discuss about TPM. TPM means total productive maintenance. Here we can see some quotes now. Our economic system measures productivity in a way that allocates more attention to the good things which we produce than to bad things. But every production process creates waste. Now we can see what is the definition of TPM. Concept with the aim to maximize the productivity of facilities by transferring the responsibility for regular maintenance to the employees. Productivity oriented mixture of preventive and status oriented maintenance measures, supplemented by a process of continuous improvement of facilities. TPM consists of 8 pillars, each containing approaches to eliminate losses and waste. What is total meaning? It refers to all departments, facilities and processes, and participation of all employees, and aim to eliminate all defects, breakdowns and accidents, etc. It measures total. What is meaning of productive? Maximization of the efficiency of the production system and production of goods and services that exceed the customers' expectations, and minimization of obstacles within the production process. Then what is the maintenance? Improvement of the efficiency of facilities and plant, continuous sustainment and improvement of the overall condition of plant and machineries, concerns whole life cycle of the production systems. You can see TPM types of maintenance in simple approach. It's maintenance main. So under maintenance, so preventive maintenance, and next is corrective maintenance. Under corrective maintenance, there are two types: calendar based maintenance and condition based maintenance. Under corrective maintenance, planned maintenance, then unplanned maintenance. These are the simple types of maintenance. Why TPM? In initial situation, how it will be? Profitable production at high cost site Germany only possible through automation of production facilities. Thus, cost disadvantages are balanced, productivity and competence are raised. Proceeding automation generates increasing number of error sources which contract productivity. Separation of production and maintenance has negative impact on the effective use of production facilities. High demands on productivity and flexibility of facility systems to secure customer satisfaction and competitiveness. Complex requirements concerning availability and rebuilding of facility systems are necessary.
From today's session, so answer this question. Total productive maintenance refers to all the individuals in maintenance and production working together. A. True, B. False, or cannot say anything. Leave your comment below. We will check and reply.
we will discuss about benefits of TPM in details. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this channel. Please like and subscribe and share to your friends and comment below if you have any questions. We will see you in next video. Thank you. Bye.